Hey Olav, you're welcome for answering the other question. And then now your question is it possible to record mutes as an automation? I've tried to parameter lock different filters to get this effect, but the lock only lasts one step before returning back to its original unfiltered state. How do I make any parameter lock last for as long as I want? So yeah, to answer your first question, there's no way to automate the track mutes. So you're on the right track when it comes to using different parameters to control that, and the filter is a good way to do that. And then in terms of making the parameter locks last for longer than a single step, that's just the nature of them, is that it changes the parameter on the step. So you'll need to add a parameter lock to each of the steps that you want the change to be active on. But it's not that much work. I know it sounds like a lot because you have to do it one at a time, and you might have like 64 steps or 128 or whatever, but I'll show you a quick way to do it. So with this example, I have my melodic part of this beat on track 2, and I want to do a mute here. So what I'll do is, from the filter page, which I'm already on, you can hold the step down, and then you basically turn this. And what I'm doing is I'm changing it from low pass to high pass. And I have the frequency pretty much maxed out, or close to the top. It's at 115. The highest value is 127. So with this, it makes it very quiet. You can like basically not hear it. So take a listen. Yeah, so again, parameter locking each step to have the high pass filter. And yeah, if you have it already set to low pass, it's just one turn of a knob. You hold the button down, hold the button down. So again, it takes a little bit of time, but that's kind of the best way to do it. There's also a way to like record in automation as the sequence is playing, but I think you've probably already discovered that it will have like gaps in it if things aren't changing. So for instance, I'm gonna change it to the high pass filter and you'll see what happens. So yeah, it just added it here. Oh wait, yeah, so I think that's the behavior you're describing where it's just doing it to 1. But again, yeah, just hold the step down, turn the knob once if you've got it on low pass filter, and that's a good way to do mute outs. So yeah, hopefully that helps you out. But yeah, thanks for asking the question, and peace.